Every autonomous machine faces the same challenge, knowing exactly where it is. Standard GPS can be off by several meters. That's fine when you follow directions on your phone's map, but not when a tractor must plant thousands of seeds in perfectly straight rows. A delivery drone is landing between skyscrapers, or your lawnmower should avoid the flower bed. Oops. That's why we created PointPerfect, our portfolio of advanced GNSS correction services that makes centimeter-level accuracy accessible to everyone.
We saw that high-precision positioning was locked behind expensive infrastructure and complex setups, available only to specialized industries. We knew we could change that.
With PointPerfect, we can deliver centimeter-level accuracy anywhere in the world. No local infrastructure to maintain. Just connect and get the precision you need, whether you are operating in remote fields or navigating dense urban environments.
But accuracy alone is not enough. We know that our customers face other critical barriers like data costs that decrease their margins. So, we engineered our correction data to use 90% less bandwidth.
We believe autonomy only works when machines can trust their position. That's why we built PointPerfect to deliver precision that's highly accurate and always reliable.
For us and our customers, that's a true game changer.
PointPerfect, the precision that powers autonomy.